happening. So we had one day of sun. So me and my mate Kyle, also known as Vasp, started working on and slowly restoring his Honda Civic EG6 SIR. They are replacing the thermostat and the radiator pipes. Uh, Also, Daniel joins us slightly later on to help out. And yeah, I forgot to record at some points, so this is all the footage I got, and also because of my work, I couldn't stay for everything, but I hope you enjoy the video. Right, well, that's a good start to a coolant replacement, thermostat replacement. Want me to blow on it?
Fuck me.
Oh, that's. I don't want to rip that hole.
Oh, mate,
That's gonna be a struggle, like.
to at least move the clamp up.
Mate, that's moving the whole.
It's cause the fucking thingies are up.
Oh, that's because you've unbolted that there.
I know, because we've got the supports off. We'll get it off though.
I think you need to hold it with one hand like that, and then.
I know. Watch. Wait,
Oh.
That's coming off though.
The trick is like to twist and pull.
You should be able to pull that off the rest of the way now.
There you go.
Nice.
Got that off. Now need to. Oh, that's gonna be a bastard.
Oh well. Watch how we take it off and pop down.
Alright. No, actually, see these ones. These will work perfectly, I think. Let's see if I just. Fuck it now. Wanna hold the phone?
Oh.
I'll try to get it. Right. Come on. Yeah, move this out of the way. Oh. Right. Using fucking fishing pliers.
Okay.
Yeah, I can move the whole clamp, like.
It looks like it's murder. It looks like it's welded on, man.
Oh, that's not gonna be fun, like.
Right. You're getting the clamp. Pull the clamp off it. It looks like it's coming.
Okay, the clamp's fully off, like.
There you go.
So now.
There we go. Success.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, nice. Cheese.
You want some mouldy cheese?
Cheese.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's like proper on there.
Aye, it is. It's been on there since factory.
I'm scratching my finger knuckles on the other clamp.
No, I'm moving the clamp off.
Oh well, you've got the clamp off.
There you go. No, just take our time to get this off. You can cut it off too.
So what we're doing now is getting this pipe off first. That gives us more room for this pipe, which we need a bit of hand room to go back into there to get it from over there. Nice. Well, we disconnected this bit, but then couldn't move this because can't really get a proper grip around it, and then we ended up cutting this because that's just like proper stuck onto there, and took off this bit as well. Now I need to take off the sensor, and then that should be everything for the thermostat, I think. Oh, that pipe's just connected to it, but just need to unbolt it now. Look who arrived. Daniel.
Don't know.
Oh, no way you actually got that clip out.
It's in there now.
Oh.
It's in there. I'll meet again at some point.
Yeah.
Is that not the fucking fender liner? Aye, it'll come out.
It'll come out somewhere.
Come out in the dog. Oh, there it is. Mechanic.
Oh, brand new clip. Hell yeah. Meanwhile, I'm trying to get the thermostat off. Getting the first top bolt off. Oh.
That was loose.
No, we took it off. We took the pipe off.
Oh, because I can just remember the last time we were here, I took it off and I forgot if I put it back on or not. There's nothing connected to it.
Ah, there's no pipe there. And no pipe there.
Our ABS unit is rancid.
Yeah, it's got a good bit of oxidization and crystallization from the coolant.
Good bit of rafts.
Ah.
Want to stop?
Wah! Fuck. Wah, 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 wah. Living my life quarter turn at a time. I wonder if it's finger loose or not. Oh, nice, it's stuck on the hose now. Fuck's sake. Oh, come on. It is not finger loose. Right, well, managed to get it off. Quite clean, to be honest, like. But yeah, I didn't even know about this pipe here, but I hope he has a new rubber seal for this bit, because that will definitely be needed. And look at all this crystallization right here, like mad. Oh, yeah. Great success. This is the this is the old one, and this is a brand new one. I don't even want to touch it because my hands are full and dirty. But how does it sit? Sits like sits like that. And see this bolt here? That was a bastard. That one was a bastard, but this is more of a bastard. This was a quarter turn at a time. This was a third turn at a time. Like mad. Oh. Well, that's all the hoses off now. Everything over there. Getting the clamps back on, and then we'll be going back into it. Hands are very clean. Well, I washed them already, to be fair. Nice. Right, so I got all the pipes off. Now to put the pipes back on and thermostat. We already got the pipe on. It goes from the firewall to the thermostat. And now just need to fit the actual thermostat and connect the rest of the pipes. I'm not looking forward for this bolt because it's a third of a turn at a time. I'm supposed to be asleep for work right now. But I already replaced the O-ring that goes around the pipe here.
That's a bit tricky.
I replaced the O-ring already. Now, need to put this. In this clip here, I asked Daniel to turn on the camera and the flashlight to see if the thermostat housing was in place, as we were having a bit of a struggle, but he ended up getting his phone stuck in between the intake manifold and the fuel rail, which I think was pretty fun.
The delivery driver when they drive a bit first gear. just overflow this and see if it fucking cleans itself out. You can just overflow it down there. So it's really down there. Not
You're able to see it from there, so try to see if you can see it from there.
can see the
move your phone so you can possibly see it through that gap.
I'm gonna get my phone. I'm fucking. What it's stuck? Fucking hell. Mate, I was fucking stuck. Oh my god. I can't get it out. I can't.
Well, there's a thermostat housing. Nice and tightly on. Now just add all the hoses on. This one will be going in here. Oh. In this last bit of the video, it's already the next day, as I had to go home for sleep for work, and we were going to change the timing belt, but because I had work that same night, I ended up going home early for more sleep, so here's all the footage from that. Well, that's all the new pipes on. This is a different day already. Yesterday managed to finish everything, but I had to go home for sleep because I worked night shift. But no leaks as far as I'm told, and somehow they lost the cap for the radiator, so nice. Now we'll be doing the timing, but I won't be here for all of it because I've got work again and I don't want to have 1 hour sleep again on a 10-hour shift. Well, that's the cam camera off. There's the timing belt. I'll also need to give this a good clean lake. You can see the VTEC right there. See that? That's a VTEC.
How far down do you need to go? No, not that far down.
See the engine's not coming down. I don't know, I'm off the engine now.
That should be it. Should be that, yeah. This is cylinder number 4. Number 3. Well, they seem to be equal all around, so that's good.